Hello children, I am Anjali, your EVS teacher from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Children, in this video, we are going to learn our 8th lesson. So what is our 8th lesson? Yes, it is organ health. Okay, let us start the lesson. Lesson number 8, organ health. So after studying this lesson, we can identify the parts of the body and learn about their works. And we may know the need of personal cleanliness for good health. Okay, yes. See yourself in a mirror. Which parts of your body can you identify, children? Yes, if you stand in front of the mirror, so many body parts you can see, no? So, what are the body parts we can see? Nose, eyes, ear, mouth, hand, etc. Isn't it? Yes. So, look at the picture given below. Write the names of the parts of a body in the given boxes. Okay. So, what are the body parts we can write here, children? Yes. Head, nose, mouth, eyes, neck, hands, fingers, leg, toes. Isn't it? Yes. So these are some body parts. Okay, in the next page, play a game. Divide yourselves into two groups. Let the members of one group show a part of the body. Let the other group say the name of the part of the body. Let the game continue in the same way. So you can play this game, children. You can have fun with the identify the body parts. Okay, yes. And one more activity is there. What is that? Here are some pictures. Parts of a body are also mentioned. Which part of your body do you use to perform the activity that is in the picture? Put right mark. Okay. So just now we have written some body parts of, okay, body parts. So those body parts, for what purpose we will use, we can learn through this activity. Okay, children. Yes. Like eyes. For what purpose we will use? What we will do from eyes? We'll see. From hand we can write and we can eat something. We can do our work. Yes, no. And from nose we can take smell. And from what ear we can listen words and we can listen songs and all. Yes, no. So like that. So here we will learn our body parts and their works. So in the first picture, that girl is running. So which body part will use here, children? Yes, you have to put right mark. Which body part? So in picture, right side in picture also you can see, and I have put right mark to leg. Yes or no, children? Yes. So we'll use legs to run. Yes, no? Yes. And in the nose. So in the second picture, I have put right mark to nose because that boy is taking the smell, or you can say fragrance, because he is holding the flower, right? Yes, he is taking the fragrance from the flower. So which body part is using? Yes, exactly, nose. You can see in the picture also. So in the third picture, yes, that boy is decorating the door with the flowers and all. Flowers, leaves and all, no? Yes. From which body part is he is using? Hand. Yes. And in the next picture, that girl is listening the radio. From which body part, children? Yes, it is ear. Through ear, she is listening the radio, no? Yes. So these are the some body parts. In the next page also, we can see, and in this page, that girl is singing. So for singing, which body part she is using? Yes, it is. You can see in the picture which body part she is using, children. Yes, mouth, right? No? Yes, we have to put right mark to mouth. And in the next picture, children, one boy is seeing that, watching that birds. Birds are flying in the sky, no? So that boy is watching that. So that boy is seeing that birds means from which body part? Yes, eyes, no? Yes. eyes. Okay, so these are the some body parts and their works. Okay, so below that, who am I? Solve this riddle with the help of teachers or elders. Write the answers in the given box. So what is that riddle? I am a black but not a crow. I am a white but not a butter. I have a water but not a well. I have lids but not a vessels. Who am I? Yes. What is the answer, children? Correct. Eyes. So I am a black miss. So in between the eye you can see the black one circle eyeball, isn't it? So that is, and I am a white. So around the that eyeball you can see the white part, right? Yes. And I have a water means when you will cry, you'll get water from eyes, right? Water, tears. We can see tears comes out. Yes, no? Yes. I have a lids means eyelashes. Okay, lids means eyelashes, but not a vessel. So this is the what this riddle answer is eyes. Okay, then eyes help us to see. Yes, no, children? Eyes help us to see and avoid dust from getting into your eyes. So avoid when you will go to outside, and if dust is there means you have to avoid that dust from getting into your eyes, isn't it? Yes. Then if dust will go inside means you have to wash your eyes from the water. You should not rub eyes when dust falls into it. Okay, and show it to your elders. You can show it to your elders, your parents or your elder sister or brother. Okay, yes. So this is the eyes, and we will see the next part in the next page. So through the riddle. Okay, what is the next riddle? I have two holes, I help you smell, without me you cannot breathe. Who am I? Who is this, children? Yes, it is nose. Okay, so what the nose will do? Dust enters our nose when we walk outside. Hence, clean your nose every day. Don't put sticks or pencils into the nose. So, what is the work of nose, children? So, we can take smell, right? So, what rose flower we can identify through smell also. So for taking smell, which body part is helping us? Yes, exactly, it is nose only. So even in the nose also dust enters. Yes, no? So when we walk outside, dust enters. Hence we should clean the nose every day. But when you'll go to school or you are playing with your friends, no, you should not put sticks or pencil into the nose. You should be careful. Okay, yes. And in the next riddle, which body part is there? Yes, we'll see. You need me to talk, you need me to eat, without me you cannot even laugh. Who am I? Who is this? Yes, it is mouth. So we can talk by our mouth only. We need mouth to talk, isn't it, children? Yes, even we need to eat also. Yes, no? Yes. So these are the works of mouth. So clean the mouth with water as soon as you get up in the morning. When we'll wake up in the morning, we should clean our mouth. Okay. And even before and after every meal. So even before and after every meal also we should clean our mouth. And next riddle, children. In a little crooked well without any water to, though I am always there to help you listen to a lesson or a song, inserting sticks or chalk pieces will only hurt you definitely. Who am I? Yes, this is ear. Yes, this is a ear. So what you will do with your ears? You will listen the lesson in school and you will listen song. Yes, no? Yes. And so don't put sticks, crayons, pencils, sharp things, etc. into the ear. We should not put any sticks, crayons, pencils, sharp things in the ear. It will harm you. And why do you close your ears when there is a loud sound while bursting crackers? So when in festival time, when crackers will burst, no, that time we'll close our eyes because of loud sound. Yes, no, children? Yes. Loud sound will harm to our ears. So we'll close our eyes. Yes, no, children? Yes. In the next riddle, to write, hold, show, and give, you need my help and ever will. You cannot take a morsel though to your mouth without my will. So, who is this? Yes, it is hand. So, children, we can write from our hand, we can eat, and we can do our work by our hands only, isn't it? Yes. So, these are all works of our hands. Then how many fingers are there in our hands? Yes, in both hand we have 10 fingers. Okay. Yes. There are fingers in a hand. Observe their shape. Know the names of 5 fingers. Cut your nails once a week. Wash your hands before and after eating. So we should always, before and after eating, we should wash our hands, right? And yes, and we have 10 fingers, and in one hand 5 fingers we have, right? And every finger has its name, right? No? Yes. Here you can see in the picture, children: thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. So the first finger is thumb, and next index finger, middle, ring, and little fingers. You have to uh, understand this, children. Okay, these are the names of fingers. Okay, yes. So the next riddle is jumping, skipping, running, and hopping. I take you to the school for sure. I help you work and also play. You dance and learn because I am here. So from which body part you will dance, you will jumping, skipping, running, and hopping, children? Who is this? Yes, of course it is a leg. Yes. So legs, from leg part we will do so many work: jumping, skipping, dancing, running, hopping, so many things. Yes, no? Yes. So there are toes in our legs, children. Yes, no? So what are toes? So these fingers are called toes. So observe that the shape of fingers and toes are different. So all the toes are there in different shape. Yes, no? All are not in same shape. These toes are in a different shape. Is it possible to walk with one leg? Walk with one leg, children? No, we can't walk. We can hop. Yes, no? Yes. So these are some riddles. Okay, yes. So children, I hope you understood this first part of this lesson, organ and health. So in the next video also, we are going to continue the same lesson, because we have finished only few pages of this organ health lesson. Okay, so these are some organs we have learnt in this part. Okay, so for this part, homework is you should read the lesson and you should do the working page and paste the pictures of body parts in the classwork, parts of the body in the classwork, children. Okay, and draw this picture with name in the classwork. So and explain with your hand. What you should do, children, you should draw this hand picture and you should mention the fingers name: thumb, index finger, middle, ring, and little. After that, what you should do, you should show your finger and you have to name the fingers. Okay, and you have to send in the group. Okay, you should show your hand and you should explain the finger's name. Okay, children? Yes. Okay. So again, we are going to continue the same lesson in the next video. Okay. Thank you.